How to create a newsletter in Wix. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can create a newsletter in Wix. Firstly, I want you guys to come onto your Wix dashboard, and then after that, from over here I just want you guys to just simply click on the left side on marketing and SEO, and then after that click on email marketing. Once you guys click on email marketing, simply create an email marketing campaign from over here. So simply click on create a new campaign. Let's just give it a few seconds. So now from over here, choose send a newsletter, and then after that simply click on edit template, and then it's gonna take you guys over to this particular page. Now it's gonna give you the options to basically customize your whole newsletter, and over here I will do exactly that. So right now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to basically add elements from the left side. So over here, I can add in images, I can add in text, I can add in buttons, dividers, social media, columns, logos, and so much more. So I can add whatever I want by just simply dragging and dropping it over here. And then after that, I can just simply choose the image that I want to add, or add in the text that I want to add. So for example, let's say I want to add this picture. I will choose this picture, then I will click on add to page, and then after that this particular picture is going to be added over here, and as you guys can see, it looks really nice. Now from over here we can also double click any text, and we can simply modify that text to be whatever we want. So for example, we can have it be like this over here too. So all in all, we have unlimited options. Now after that, we can also just simply change up the pictures from over here as well. The pictures that are already in this particular newsletter, we can change up those pictures as well. So from over here, I can simply click on change image, and then after that I can just simply start choosing the image that I want to add, and I can add one picture many times as well if I want to. So now from over here, as you guys can see, that we have now created our complete newsletter, and then after that from the top we can also change up the text as well to be something else. For example, we can type in monthly tech feed, or whatever it is that you want to type in, you can type that in over here. Now after that, once you've done that, from the left side you can also change up the font too, but right now I'm gonna leave the font as it is. And then from the left side you also have the option to change up the theme as well. You can also change up the background as well. You guys can add a very nice background like the one that I've added just now. And then after that, once you guys are satisfied, click on the top right on next, and then after that it's gonna take you over here. Now from over here you guys can just simply import more contacts. So basically all the people that you want to send this particular newsletter to, or you can just simply start adding in more email addresses, and then after that you guys can just simply add in as many as you want. You can also choose from your existing contacts as well at the bottom, and then after that, once you guys have typed in your email addresses, you can also add in labels as well. Once you guys have done this, simply click on the top right on next once again, and then now you guys are going to be able to send this particular newsletter to all those emails by your own email. Now as soon as I click on send now, it's basically gonna send this particular newsletter to all of them, and now I have basically started an email marketing campaign. And over here in the email marketing section, we can basically track our email marketing campaign, which is our monthly newsletter. Now you guys can basically have it go out on a specific time every single month, and you guys don't have to repeat the whole process once again. Simply click on reuse over here, and then after that it's going to take you over here, and now you guys can basically add in more stuff if you want to. Let's say you want to add in columns, you can add in columns, you can add in as many columns, and then also you guys can increase the number of columns within a column section. Then you guys can also add in a subscribe button over here somewhere in the center. You can also add in a logo as well, and you can modify all the attributes of these particular things from over here on the left side. So as soon as you guys tap on any one of these sections on the left side, you guys are going to be able to change up the contents of that particular section. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually create a newsletter in Wix. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care. Till next time, goodbye.